Did you know that Photoshop makes trees? It's true. Let's take a look. So let's start off by going to the filter menu. Let's make a brand new layer. Go to the filter menu. If you choose render, there it is, tree. Let's choose tree. When you choose tree, you're going to get a dialog box that gives you a base tree type and several other stylized trees. I'll just choose stylized tree 1, stylized tree 2. There's all sorts of trees, and you can also customize their properties. For example, light direction, the number of leaves, the leaf sizes, the branch height, etc. And when you're done, you can just click OK, and boom, you've got a tree. And you can mix and match these trees. You can take this, for example, and if you wanted to, you can go ahead and apply a warp to it, you know, to kind of give it some custom look and feel, right? You can make some arrangements with that. If I've got black as a foreground color and white as a background color, what I can next do is I can go up to Filter, Filter Gallery, and if I choose Stamp, I get a black and white version of this. It's located underneath the Sketch folder. Click on OK, and now we've got this tree that we can use. We can come back in with our black ink. We can add other elements to kind of anchor that tree into that space. And you know, this is a cheat. It's, you know, not something that you want to employ every single day, but it is there. If you're trying to knock out something relatively quick, you have another tool in your arsenal to do it, and a lot of people don't know about it. So check it out, and yeah, if you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.